So you may or may not be aware that we recently won an award with the North East Automotive Alliance for innovation. It was for our TabTech product that we've been developing over the last few years. We've had some success with, and we're here in the North East to present a cheque to a local school, which came as part of the prize for winning the award.
Epinay Business and Enterprise School is a school for students aged 4 to 18 with a range of special and complex needs. We have a lot of bespoke subjects, curriculum, and we also have a sixth form who are doing more work placements, and the whole ethos of school is preparation for adulthood.
We had lots of really strong applications for this award, but in Preston Technical's application, they really showed what difference this makes to a workplace. The money and the STEM learning will hopefully give these children a real footing on the career ladder and give them the skills to make them really more employable.
We've worked with Preston Technical now for a number of years. They're a very innovative company. The TabTech technology from Preston Technical has enabled us to both save labour and cost. It's really important that companies like Preston Technical do support local schools, etc., because basically they will be supplying the future workforce.
I've been really impressed, and I've never seen anything like it. Since I've been here, I've not stopped smiling. It's been amazing. I think the skills that they get taught here are real life skills. So the fact that they get to work in the cafe here and they get taken around factories, just like the little Lego room, I just thought it was great. It's just hands-on. I think it's what all schools should do, really.
Well, it's been fantastic coming to a school like this. We were first of all massively impressed with the building, and then some of the stuff that's going on has just blown our minds. It's just the fact that there was some money going to a good cause, and STEM projects too. So it's helping the next generation of kids get into manufacturing and engineering, so it's brilliant. So all this started with a seed of an idea by a couple of our employees based on things that they'd seen, and this is the end result to all that. It's the cherry on top, seeing people benefiting from it, so we couldn't be happier really.
We're absolutely overwhelmed with the donation from all parties. It means so much to the students. It means we can use it for science, technology and enterprise across the curriculum, also enrich the curriculum with visits to workplaces, visits to museums, or anything that will enrich the curriculum. The Imaginarium, the Lego facilities, the Exploration Centre. This money will harness the next projects that we have planned. As a school, we'd like to say a big thank you to Preston Technical and the North East Automotive Alliance. We're overwhelmed by the generosity. £3,000 will go a long, long way in our school.